Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. I am Major Mustafa bin Ali, retired. I believe I represent all armed forces veterans who fought against the country's enemies during the emergency, Indonesian confrontation, and the communist insurgency until the official surrender in 1989. We put our lives on the line for our beloved nation and successfully achieved peace and harmony for all Malaysians. We, the Armed Forces veterans, are beyond race and religion, and we would like to maintain this hard-earned respect nationwide and eventually worldwide. So to all politicians and any undesirable elements who are ignorant of our sacrifices, we urge you to stop. I say again, stop this unnecessary racial and religious polarization, which seems to have gone a bit too far. It will not benefit anyone. So thank you very much. Selamat Hari Raya. Maaf zahir batin. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.